Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the app compatibility on your Mac computer. So right now my M1 Pro is currently running on Apple Silicon, but however there are few applications which are built based on Intel, and there are few applications that can be used either on Apple Silicon or on Intel. So those are called universal applications. Now if I want to check what all applications are compatible and what all applications are there currently installed, so what I can do is I can click on this Apple menu, go to System Settings, and within the system settings I can just check this general tab and storage, and within the storage I can open this applications folder. So let me wait just it complete. So I can just click on this application folder and it will give me the list of all the applications that are currently installed. Now for checking the compatibility, what I need to do is I need to ensure that I have either the application kind as Apple Silicon, or it is system or universal. So if I can see there are certain application, or the application which is creating a problem is Intel based application, that means it is no longer being supported on your Apple Silicon. This way you can identify which are the apps that are compatible and which are the apps that are not compatible on your Mac computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.